With AIIMS MBBS entrance around the corner, you must be wondering how to fill the application form. Don't worry, it's simple. Let us see how to go about it. First of all, you need to go on the website www.aimsexams.org. This is how the page will look. Now, click on Academic Courses. Next, select MBBS. Before you fill the form, have your debit or credit card and net banking details ready for online payment. The form also needs the digital images of your photo, signature, and thumb impression. The digital size of the photograph must be between 50 to 100 KB, and digital size of signature and left thumb impression must be between 20 KB to 100 KB. The photograph to be uploaded must be taken within 6 months from online application opening date. So do ensure that your images have a white background, your face is clearly visible, and is without gaps, dark glasses, etc. and is not side profile or full-length photograph. In short, don't upload your FB pictures. Now you'll get an SMS and an email intimating you about your login details. Click on the link on the website and you will discover that a My page has been generated for you. Payment of application fee can be done online through debit or credit card and net banking. After successful payment of application fee, take a printout of payment receipt bearing the unique registration number. This can be used for future correspondence. Select your preferred examination city from the available city list carefully. The city availability list shows the real-time status of the seats in each city. City choice once made cannot be changed later.
AIIMS MBBS 2018 will be conducted in 155 cities across India. Before paying the fees, you will be able to check the number of seats available in each city. However, the city can only be selected following the completion of payment. In the city choice step, first select the state of your choice. The entire list of cities available in that state will be displayed. Select the city of your choice and proceed to the next step. Please note that the cities are only available on a first-come, first-served basis and cannot be changed once the form is submitted. So please be very careful while selecting your city and also ensure that you submit your form at the earliest. The address of your AIIMS MBBS exam center will be displayed on your admit card, which you can download from May 10th onwards.
After the city, fill out other details like your qualifying exams, its status, postal address, and so on. Complete all the details including uploading of your images.
Now I need to print the application form and check whether all the information is correct or not. Once I have checked whether all the information is correct, I will submit it. Please remember, once the information has been submitted, no request for changes or correction will be entertained by the authorities. So I am checking the information twice before pressing the submit button.
Once this is done, taking a printout of your application form is important. You're not required to send a hard copy of your application form or any other document to the examination section at AIIMS, but do keep the application form and the payment receipt with you for future references. Good luck! Watch out for more on AIIMS MBBS, NEET UG and JIPMER entrance exams. Do follow us on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and visit our website www.careers360.com.